Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to find your mobile phone number in international format, ensuring that it's ready for global communication. Step 1. Understand international format. The international phone number format is a standardized way to write phone numbers that allows people across the world to call you without confusion. It begins with a plus symbol, followed by your country code, and then your local number. For example, a US number would look like +1 followed by your area code and local number. Step 2. Find your country code. The first thing you need to do is identify your country code. Each country has a unique code. For example, USA, +1, UK, +44, Canada, +1, India, +91. You can find the country code for any country easily online or on a dedicated country code website. Step 3. Check your mobile number. Your local phone number should be written exactly how it appears when dialed within your country. Ensure that you include any area codes, if applicable. For example, if your number is 555-1234 and you live in New York, your number might be +1 2112 555 11234. Step 4. Combine the country code and local number now. To convert your number into international format, just add the plus symbol at the beginning, followed by your country code, and then your local phone number. Make sure to remove any trunk prefixes, like a 0, before the area code if it exists. For example, local number 555-11234 country code for the USA, +1 international format, +1 555-11234. Step 5. Verify your number. Once you've formatted your phone number correctly, check that everything matches your country's international calling conventions. You can use websites or apps that check the validity of phone numbers in international format to ensure accuracy. Now your phone number is ready for use in any international context. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found this guide helpful.